What it do, YouTube? Back with another car vlogging, a different whip today. A little one time for the one time. We in a Discovery. This is a Land Rover, same company that make Range Rovers. So I'm not sure if this is considered a luxury car or not, but it might be. And, you know, I ain't all the way up on what cars are classified as what. But yeah, just wanted to take a little quick ride with y'all. We're gonna ride through the interstate real quick, and y'all just enjoy the views. We right now in Hendersonville, Indian Lake. Well, we leaving Indian Lake, but we riding through Hendersonville. If we looking at getting one of these cars, it's just what your experience will be. It's been a minute, I know. But, you know, time is a loser. We're back. I've been busy, you know. If you've been keeping up, if you're into my NCAA streams, I've been there. For the past week or so, I've been dropping at least 2 videos a day. This is a early afternoon drive. Oh, Benz. What Star say? I'm in that low, even though I want to jump in that Benz. Police. About to put y'all down real quick. Yeah. Hendersonville police don't play. They be trying to get any and everybody. This beginning of the month, they already out there. Yeah, let's catch them. God dang, it's back to back. Like, y'all are not playing today. Like, why are y'all like that? Ooh-wee. When people see police, they get the pressing them brakes. They just pulled out. They must got somebody. They right behind this car right now. Not my car, it's the like car way back there behind me. They just pulled behind. Cause if it's me, I'm turning it to Duke Dennis. Let me get out of their jurisdiction. Oh, they get into that right lane. Alright, cool. Boy. Everybody know. They'll try to lock you up. I ain't trying to play with nobody. What you doing in these parts? Sir, I just crossed over. And so, shouldn't have came in these parts. I wonder if Hendersonville got signs saying the home of Taylor Swift. I ain't gonna lie, growing up, all these little sub-cities, they just all used to claim Nashville. Like, now they literally, they own video games and all. They're like, which part of Tennessee from? Antioch? No, you part of Nashville. Alright. Antioch, Goodlettsville. I think Hendersonville is part of, some parts of Hendersonville is part of Davidson County. Some is part of Sumner County, I believe. But Goodlettsville, Antioch, Bellevue, y'all are part of Davidson County. That's Nashville. I ain't never heard somebody say I was from Georgetown, Tennessee. They just say from Nashville. Representing Davidson County. Barely heard people say that was from Murfreesboro growing up. I'm from Laverne. Man, cut it out, man. Nashville. Just say Nashville, man. I really need to go to a Cars and Coffee. But personally, I think I haven't been probably since around COVID. But since they moved from the movie theater, I think they do it like every week now. It used to be just the first Saturday of the month. Now I think they do it every Saturday. So I be saying I'm gonna go. I just don't be wanting to wake up that early on a Saturday. You know, one of these Saturdays I'm gonna go and check it out. Yes, sir. Scam likely. I don't know if it's just me or I really want to find out which company been giving out my numbers to these scam people. Because if I owe them money, I'm going to stop paying them because you already sold my information off to get paid. So there ain't no point of us double paying you. I gotta keep getting bothered by these scams. You shouldn't get a paycheck or whatever. Anything out of my account. I feel like that's a fair trade-off. And I think they should say, hey, we sold your information off to these people. So they should be accountable for the reaction we give to them. Cause it's different. You say my information off to like a legit company. Like, oh yeah, we Google Fiber. You sold my information to Google Fiber, so they trying to get into my neighborhood. you selling to random scam people saying, hey, you've been pre-approved for long. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Don't even lie to me like that. But yeah. I'm actually about to end the video off right here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.